Hey, most people don't die of aging. They die from daily habits quietly destroying their future. By the end of this video, you'll know the 10 habits that can save your health and extend your life. Longevity habits aren't mysterious. They're invisible decisions you make every single day. What scares most people after 45 isn't illness itself. It's realizing time is running out before they take their health seriously. The 10 better health and longevity habits I'm sharing today are practical, science-backed, and designed to protect your future, not replace it. Most adults in the United States spend over 90% of their life indoors. They sleep less, sit more, and mentally drain themselves without realizing it. That's where the crisis begins. Aging accelerates when your cells, hormones, and brain stay in survival mode instead of recovery mode. Let me open the first loop you're going to want to stay for later. A hidden habit that impacts memory faster than sleep loss. We'll close that soon. The second loop. There's a 3-minute daily habit proven to lower sickness and strengthen resilience without medicine, gyms, or memberships. That one closes near our climax. Picture this. A ticking clock on screen. Every tick represents 1 year lost to preventable health decline. Most people believe eating clean and occasional exercise is enough, but your body tracks consistency, not intentions. A 2024 study from British Medical Journal found higher mortality risk linked to ultra-processed foods, but the deeper takeaway was this. The body loses the ability to repair when habits don't support inflammation control, movement, and recovery. Habit 1. Reflection. Not motivation, not hope. Reflection. Successful people plan their future but analyze their past. Most adults rush into a new year without reviewing decisions that drained their health, relationships, or progress. Pause. Think. Write down what worked, what failed, and what you refuse to carry forward. This sets the biological tone for change, reducing mental stress before you even touch physical habits. Habit 2. Friendships that matter. Only 13% of adults have 10 close people they trust. Worse, 12% feel they have none. Longevity science proves emotional connection isn't a luxury. It regulates oxytocin, stress pathways, and even immune resilience. Choose 2 to 3 people who lift your discipline, not drain it. Deep conversations, shared challenges, community service, and emotional support lower mental inflammation, which impacts cellular recovery directly. Build fewer but stronger bonds. Now let's close open loop 1. The habit impacting memory faster than sleep loss is chronic loneliness and shallow connection. Your brain doesn't decline from aging alone. It declines from disconnection. When relationships lack meaning, the mind loses stimulation, safety, and dopamine stability. Habit 3. Sleep timing over sleep hacks. Most adults fixate on wake-up routines, but the power move is a bedtime ritual. Losing just 1 hour of sleep repeatedly disrupts hormone repair, stress control, appetite balance, and cognitive recovery. Set a bed alarm. Dim lights. Calm your mind. Replace screens with long-form learning or real conversation. The body repairs when the brain feels safe, dark, and ready. Habit 4. Morning sunlight, not supplements. Sunlight. Even winter rays boost natural vitamin D and reset cortisol melatonin rhythm, telling the body, it's daytime, function now, repair later. Habit 5. Daily movement, not occasional intensity. A smartwatch on screen. Step count rising. Every 1,000 steps symbolizes reduced mortality risk, improved circulation, mental clarity, glucose balance, and stronger stability as you age. The goal is 10,000 steps often, 8,000 steps minimum. Walk breaks every hour save your joints, back, metabolism, and brain energy. Habit 6. The dopamine menu. Your brain is addicted to quick reward spikes, news alerts, notifications, autoplay, endless scrolling. These destroy long-term dopamine balance, leading to chronic mental fatigue. Replace spikes with slow release, books, meaningful tasks, audio learning, long walks, real touchpoints like family hugs, or creative productivity. This stabilizes motivation and reduces emotional stress load. Habit 7. Seasonal nutrition. Split screen showing spring, summer, fall, winter produce colors shifting naturally. In-season foods carry more nutrients because nature packs them for survival and reproduction. What's good is also what's timely. Make farmers' markets part of your cycle. Fresh produce protects immunity, metabolism, skin, bones, and overall cell fuel. Habit 8. Inflammation swaps. Visual of harmful oils being replaced with clean oils. Instead of removal, it's replacement. Remove what inflames, keep what heals. This allows your body to finally repair without interference. Habit 9. Do the hard thing daily. Cold water hitting skin. Breath visible in cool air. This is where resilience forms. When you prove to your brain you can handle hard, discipline flows into food, movement, emotional balance, and health decisions. No medicine needed, just cold adaptation. That closes open loop 2. The 3-minute habit for fewer sickness days, lower absence from work, and better resilience is the cold shower cycle. Warm, cold. 1 to 3 minutes. Warm, done. Cheap, powerful, copyright-free, always available. Habit 10. Clean environments. A sink spraying chemicals labeled red, switching to plant-based alternatives labeled green. What touches your cells daily matters. Detergents, skincare, toothpaste, water, air. Remove silent toxins from your home path and choose cleaner replacements. Longevity isn't about dramatic change. It's about non-negotiable daily consistency that protects your cells, hormones, brain, metabolism, immunity, sleep, and emotional repair. If you start these better health and longevity habits now, your body won't be defending your future. It will be building it. Aging slows when inflammation reduces, movement continues, sleep protects rhythm, sunlight resets hormones, friendships regulate safety, dopamine stabilizes, and nutrition aligns with seasons. You don't need medicine to age stronger. You need habits that finally allow your body to do what it was built to do: repair, regenerate, and recover. The fear most adults carry isn't dying. It's dying early after ignoring the basics. You can reverse the direction starting today, not by intensity, but by continuity. You'll notice something shift when consistency becomes identity. Your mood improves, your energy returns, your thinking sharpens, and the body begins to feel decades younger inside function, not appearance. That's the real transformation. Your immune system watches sleep, movement, sunlight, stress patterns, inflammation sources, emotional safety, and nutrition timing. When habits disrupt these signals, the body never enters full repair mode. Fix your signals. Fix your future. Aging feels sudden because decline is slow until one day it's loud. These 10 habits quietly stop that moment from ever arriving. This is not pessimism. This is biology. Act before symptoms age your confidence, your independence, and your mind. The longest investment you'll ever make is into the body that carries you for life. Protect it wisely. Like, share, and subscribe to NutrislAb for insights you can trust. Visit our website, www.nutrislab.com, for more health tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching.